Children, today's date is 20th of November and the year is 2020 and today's day is Friday. Yes, so today we are going to do our theme class. So do you know the theme for this session? Yes, it's about space and planets. So today we are going to learn about the different planets in our solar system. Yes, so what's a solar system? This is called a solar system. So what is a solar system? A solar system is a collection of 8 planets. How many planets do we have in the solar system? 8. And all these planets, all these 8 planets, they revolve around the sun. Yes, they spin and move around the sun. You see this? You see these lines? These are called orbits. Orbits is path. They are path of travel. Okay, and these are the planets. 8 planets. And one of the planets is called Earth. Yeah, it's the planet that we live on. And this giant big yellow ball that you see is the sun. Because all the planets revolve and rotate around the sun. Okay, so let's learn about the planets one by one. So we have 8 planets in our solar system. First I'll tell you the names and then we'll know about them one by one. The first one is Mercury. Okay, so the first one is the sun. So all these planets are revolving around the sun. The first one is Mercury, then we have Venus, third one is Earth, yes, the planet that we live on. Then the planet next to us is Mars, then we have Jupiter, then we have Saturn, then we have the 7th one is Uranus, and the 8th one is Neptune. Okay, so now let's learn about these planets one by one. So this is the first one. Yes, the first planet, the closest to the sun. The name of this planet is Mercury. So Mercury is the first planet in our solar system and it is closest to the sun. Okay, and it is very small in size and it is hot because it is very close to the sun. It is very hot. Then we have the second planet. The name of the second planet is Venus. Okay, so Venus is the second planet in our solar system and it is the brightest planet and also the hottest planet in the solar system. Yes, so Venus is the brightest and the hottest planet in our solar system. And then here comes our planet, the Earth. Yes, so this is the third planet from the sun, that is Earth. Yes, it is the planet that we all live on. Yes, and it is also one of the largest planets in the solar system. It's not the largest, but one of the largest planets. Yes. So this is Earth. That looks like our planet. You see all that blue and green, but all that green is disappearing now because of the use of plastic and pollution. Yes. So we have to keep our planet green. And then we have the next planet. It's very close to Earth. It is the 4th planet in the solar system. It is Mars. Yes. And it is the red planet because it has many volcanoes. You're going to be learning about volcanoes a little later. So these are some mountains that just burst, and lava comes out. So that's called volcanoes. So Mars has many volcanoes and that is why one or the other volcanoes keep bursting. So that is why it is always red. It's a red planet, Mars. Then we have Jupiter. Yes, it is the largest planet in the solar system. Yes, and it is the 5th planet from the Sun. Yes, so we counted 5. Yeah, this is the 5th one. We started with Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. Yeah, so Jupiter is one of the largest planet in our solar system. It's very big. Doesn't it look big? Yes. And then next we have Saturn. Yeah? Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. It comes 6th in line from the Sun. Yes. And it is brown in color. You see the color? It's brown in color. And it has a ring. Yeah, it has a peculiar ring. Now this ring is made up of dust and iron. Okay, so it has a very thin ring around it. So that's Saturn. It is also called as the ring planet. Okay, and then we have Uranus. Now Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. Yes, and it is blue in color. You see that? It is blue in color, and it is the coldest planet in the solar system. Yes, we had seen that Venus, the 2nd planet from the Sun, was the hottest planet, and the 7th one, the Uranus, is the coldest planet. Yeah? It is also called as the icy planet. It is filled with ice. It's very cold over there. And then we have the 8th one, that's the last one in our solar system, is Neptune. Yeah? It is the farthest from the Sun. Yeah? You saw that orbit, the path and the planets that were there. So this comes last. So Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. Yes, and it is farthest from the Sun. And it is made up of gas, different types of gases. Okay, so these are the 8 planets in our solar system. Our solar system consists of these 8 planets that we just studied about. Yes, so this is all the planets in one frame. So can we just name them in order? Yes. So what's the planet that is closest to the Sun? Mercury. Yes, you begin with Mercury. Second one is Venus. Third is Earth. Fourth is Mars. Fifth is Jupiter. Sixth is Saturn, the ring planet. Then we have Uranus, is the 7th planet. Then we have Neptune, that's the 8th planet. Yes, and amongst these, Earth is the planet that we live on. Yes, and Venus is the hottest planet, this one, and Uranus is the coldest planet. Yeah, these are some peculiar points about these planets that you can remember. Yes, and Mars is the red planet. It's called the red planet. Saturn is the planet with rings, so it's the ring planet also. Yes, so these are the 8 planets in our solar system. And I'm also sending you a very nice rhyme which will help you know these planets a little more better. Yes. Happy learning, children. Bye.